from the peanut and grow it, try it, like it again. And we are making a healthy snack of cucumber towers. And this is Summer. Summer, can you say hi? This is Summer, and this is Violet. And this recipe is from the Healthy Party Snacks from the Michigan Fitness Foundation. Okay, so you have your cucumber and you spread your hummus. Now what goes next? Choose which cracker you'd like. Okay, we press the cracker down. And now you can take your spoon and take a little more hummus and spread it on top of the cracker. So we're using plain hummus. And we're using cucumbers that I washed and sliced. That's okay, put it on top of the cracker here. And these are sweet potato crackers, but you can also use just a Ritz cracker or a plain type of cracker. Okay, and now, there you go, use your other hand to help you. And now eating the spoon. Okay, now take another cucumber and stack it on top. So this is a great choice for a snack, or maybe in addition to lunch. And you could use other vegetables. You could use zucchini, or you could use squash slices, or anything you like. You want to stack it up again? Do a little more hummus. There you go. Yep, and then what's next? Oops, that's okay. A little more hummus. Good job. Now do you want to put another cracker on top? Choose your cracker now. Choose your cracker now. Another cracker. Okay. You could also layer some low-fat cheese in here if you'd like.
Cheese.
Yeah, you want to do some cheese? We'll do that in just a minute. Do one more layer of hummus, and let's do one more cucumber before we say goodbye. Oh, okay. So friends, this is an easy snack choice. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay healthy. Wash your hands.